Jon, I'm head brewer here at Everards in Leicester. So Everards is a family-owned regional brewer operating out of Leicester and covering the counties nearby with our pub estate of just over 150 pubs. We've been in business since 1849 and very recently have moved to our new home here at Everards Meadows. We've been running here at Everards Meadows for about 2 years now. So the boiler and steam generator here was a new installation. Experience has been very positive. We've found it very easy to use. It's delivered the steam demands that we need, and it's been a great bit of kit all around. The specific challenge we had was we're a new site, so everything was going to be installed new and resized, and so we needed to get the right equipment for the job. We also had to consider that we don't have an engineering team as such. We don't have anyone who is BOAS trained. So the steam generator needed to be easy to use. It needed to not require that in-depth knowledge of its operation. And it needed to fit our production requirements, which is running from 6 AM to 6 PM, Monday to Friday. And we found that it's done that job really, really well. So the steam generator, as I said, doesn't need that BOAS qualification. It can be set up to run on what is little more complicated than a normal central heating timer. So you can tell it to come on and off at certain times of the day or night. We don't have a night shift, so one of our challenges is coming into a brewery where everything is heated up and ready to go. By setting this timer and letting it work with our other automation, the boiler can kick in at 4:30 in the morning, and when we get here at 6, everything's hot, ready to go, and we don't have to wait for everything to warm up. Steam's raised in about 10 minutes, so even if we do come into a cold brewery on a day perhaps we weren't planning to run, it doesn't take long for us to get steam and we're up and running pretty quickly. Care and maintenance of the boiler day to day is quite straightforward. We carry out some small maintenance activities like checking the water chemistry, checking the filters are clear, making sure the softener's working, but other than that there's not much for us to do. CERTUSS take care of everything else on a 6-monthly maintenance plan, and as and when we've got any questions, they're always at the end of the phone. One of the things we've been focusing on, and I'm sure most businesses have, has been energy reduction and savings. So we've honed the timing on this even further than just coming on at 4:30 and going off. We've set some really intricate timing schedules at certain times, and really made sure we're not wasting any energy when we don't need to be. So with energy and efficiency being a real focus for everybody, we've been looking at that. Now, again, with it being a new site, we've not got any historical data to compare the new equipment to, but we can see that the expected consumptions have been achieved. We've not seen a gas consumption that we weren't expecting, and yeah, we're happy with the performance and the efficiency that the machine is delivering. Yeah, so to summarise, yeah, I'd recommend the product to a brewery considering upgrading its steam production for ease of use, the little maintenance that needs to be done, and the features that allow you to come into a brewery that's hot at the right time rather than being kept hot out of production. Definitely fits the bill for us, and we've enjoyed using it.